I've said it before and I will say it again. The best tool is the one you have. Don't ever let anyone convince you otherwise. How's it going? This is the XV1-R handheld 32-bit float recorder from Xvive, who sent me this for free to check out so you can hear what it sounds like. This is the raw sound quality straight out of the recorder with no post-processing whatsoever. Right out of the gate, I'm going to highlight one of the shortcomings of this, and this is a shortcoming of basically any handheld recorder like this. Plosives. I'm so sorry. This does not come with a windscreen, so I'm going to put my own on right now so that this video is actually watchable. So cost-wise and performance-wise, it sits pretty comfortably in between the original Zoom H1 and newer prosumer recorders like the Tascam Portacapture series. This is kind of the sequel to the original Zoom H1 that I always wanted. I mean, yeah, there's the H1 Essential, but this thing is pretty much the same cost as the original Zoom H1. It's very simple, very easy to use. There's not a whole lot to it, so this is going to be absolutely perfect for newcomers to audio, hobbyists, and some semi-professionals all alike. My primary use case for recorders like this is field recording, Foley, and sound design, so that's what this video is going to be focused on. Most of this video is going to be just raw sample sounds, which I'll have a download link in the description if you would like to download the audio file from this video. It's all yours, whatever. If you'd like to skip ahead to the rest of the spoken portion of this video, skip to this timestamp here. This records at 32-bit float or 24-bit. You can pick WAVE or AAC. 32-bit float is only available in WAVE. Sample rate is 96, or you can lower it to 48K, 41.4, or 24. You can record stereo or mono. If I turn the volume all the way up, you can hear whatever that is. It's not on my end. I checked. It's internal. This is a very simple, stripped down little recorder with not a whole lot of options going on, but it has everything that I would want to have included. So have a little quick option bar up here where you can quickly toggle on a noise gate. Now I have the gate turned on. Yep, that's it. Pretty simple. Then you can turn on a compressor. Also good, sounds nice, as well as a low cut. Within the options menu, you also can turn on and off a limiter as well. So you do get a compressor and a limiter. And so now this is the sort of cleaned up sound you can get indoors when recording dialogue. It's pretty good. This is pretty good. If you're going to be using this for like little interviews and stuff, this is you're going to get a really good sound out of this. There's a few other really cool options that you can toggle on and off. There are some preset recording profiles that have some options turned on and off already. I would say you might as well just leave it on the production preset. You can set auto record. You got pre-record, auto level, tone mark, which will play a sound when you begin and end recording. If you press mark, you can leave a mark on your recording, and during playback, you can skip to each mark. There's also an overdub feature. You can actually dub over existing audio tracks. And then for gain controls, you have just plus and minus for gain control. Now, one thing, I wish this was a slider or something, or a wheel, because if I want to adjust the gain during a recording, you do get, unfortunately, that audible clicking sounds. I wish it was just a gain wheel that I could slide so that there wasn't as much noise. There's a headphone jack, 0 latency. It's also a line out jack, so if you want to attach this to your camera and use this as an external microphone for your camera, you can do that as well, and it sounds fantastic. Way, way better than my camera's onboard mic. There's also a line in jack for your own external microphone. So here's what that sounds like. If you want to plug in your own lapel mic, you can. It's got pretty good preamps. It's a little bit noisy. It's nothing too crazy. Build quality is about what you would expect. It's all plastic except for the actual microphones, but it's not cheap plastic. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. It's just plastic. Xvive did a very good job here. This is a very respectable level of quality being delivered for a decent price. I mean, this beats out a lot of the competition. Definitely worth checking out. Eventually, I'm going to do a comparison between the original Zoom H1, the Xvive XV1-R, and the Tascam Portacapture X6, so that you can see how these three sort of stack up against each other. Spoiler alert, they're all very close. That will happen soon. I definitely won't forget. No, for real, I'm working on it. I am, I swear. If you want to pick this up for yourself, I have an affiliate link in the description, or you can check out my other videos if this is not the one you want. I also post my original music on this channel and a bunch of other random stuff too, so like, subscribe, and comment, and see ya.